Well, it's a day of prep, day and cleanup. Then we put it down in about 4 hours. And tomorrow we look forward to putting the final coat on and having a really nice garage. So thanks to Hemp Coat, it was a good experience. It's a good sense of accomplishment. Well, we just finished up day 2, put the final coat on. Took about 25 minutes to mix it up, get it ready, and we rolled it out in probably about 45 minutes in a 3-car garage and shined it up really nice, so I'm really happy with it. I highly recommend the Hemp Coat, and if you're a do-it-yourselfer like me, you'll probably have a good experience with it. This last step, putting the top coat on, was really easy. Easier than the first coat, but both were pretty straightforward and easy to understand. And with the help of my son, we got it done in pretty good shape. So we're looking forward to getting the cars on it in about 3 days. After that, before that, we'll let it dry out and she'll right.
Thanks, Hemp Coat.
Thanks, Hemp Coat.